In this video, you will learn how to check your archive emails in Gmail account. First of all, after you open up your phone now, go and open up your Gmail app. After you open your Gmail app, as you can see now, here is now my Gmail app. So let's say now I want to just go ahead and archive some emails. So let's say I want to archive this one and this one. So I'll just swipe it to left like this. I'll swipe this one to left again. So I'll add this one again. I'll swipe this one to left. So now as you can see now, I archive all three messages. Now they disappeared from the, as you can see now, this section. So if you want to just recover them or you want to find them, now tap on this menu at the top left side. So scroll to down and go to this, as you can see now, all mails. So under this all mails, if you want to see the archive mails, all you have to do now, here is them. Here is 1, 2, 3. So because this mail, they doesn't have, as you can see now, this inbox under them. As you can see now, the one that I did not archive them, they have inbox under them. As you can see now, this one has inbox, but this one, 1, 2, 3, I archived them. That's why they don't have the inbox section under them. If I scroll all the way to down, as you can see now, all the rest of the email that I did not archive them, they have the inbox under them because I did not archive them. So if you want to recover them back, so you can tap on the, open it like this. So after you open it like this, you can tap on this three dot at the top right side. So you can tap on this move to inbox. So as you can see now, the email has inbox under it. So now if I go back, as you can see now, if I go back, as you can see now, the email now here is it now has recovered. As you can see now, I recovered the email. That's it guys on how to find or how to see archive emails in Gmail. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.